Welcome, today I'm showing you how to check battery health information into a SONY Xperia 10 3rd edition. First of all, open your Play Store and find Ampere application. I'll show you. This one. You need downloading and installing. I'm already installed this, so click open. Then click no thank you, close, and then click OK. And now need to swipe on the right, and here on the top will be our health information about our battery. So our battery health is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.